Hi, my name's Steve Winfield. I'm the Curriculum Manager for Construction. I currently teach carpentry and joinery. This group are a group of level 3 students, and they're currently working way through making a Gothic arch window. This is the more advanced level, which involves machining and a lot of marking out and a lot of head scratching.
I'm Ben Coombs here at the Isle of Wight College. I teach level 1 and level 2 site carpentry, and we're really trying to refine their hand skills and safe use of the tools, as long as we're providing a wide range of knowledge, hints and tips to push forward in this.
Hi, I teach level 2 and 3 full-times and apprentices in site carpentry. I give learners the skills to construct roofing, both hips and valleys, and gable roofing, getting to make floors, doors in singles and pairs, and to fit kitchens, along with a whole range of first fix and second fix jobs. And students will gain knowledge of me in the classroom in construction methods and health and safety.